Add some oil to a pan and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, let it splutter. Then add some chana dal, urad dal. Let it slightly brown, don't let it burn. Now that's the browning we need to see. Once it's brown enough, add in some coriander seeds, some cumin seeds. Give it a swirl to roast the seeds. Crushed garlic and ginger. Saute until you smell the aroma of cooked garlic. This may take a minute. Add the chopped onions. Saute until translucent and half roasted. This will take a few minutes. Add some salt to fasten the cooking process and for flavor. Green chilies. Saute until the raw smell of chili goes away. This will also take a few minutes. Add curry leaves. Saute. Add turmeric. Stir until the raw smell of turmeric goes away. Now comes our main ingredient, roughly mashed with hands, the potatoes. Remember, before you add the potatoes, boil them and roughly mash it with your hands. Do not mash it like you make it for mashed potatoes, but roughly mash it with your own hands. This imparts the right texture and flavor for the Poori Masala that we are making today. Stir it nicely to blend the potatoes well with the rest of the masalas. Turn off the flame and add coriander leaves. This gives the last flavoring to our Poori Masala. One last quick mix. Our Poori Masala is now ready to be served. This is called Poori Masala because it is traditionally served with puri in South India. It also goes well with dosa. You can make masala dosa stuffing like this, and you can also have it with rotis or bread or anything else that you like to eat it with as a side, or maybe have it on its own. But the only thing is it is high carb, so if you're watching your carbohydrate intake, maybe don't have it that often. At our home, we don't have it more than maybe once in 2 months. So that's a good tip to take away, but it's up to you. Yummy, yummy, yummy.